This is Store Point Hut. Yes, it doesn't look like much, but it's still a hut. I know a little bit about this hut. I did some of the work on it, helped to restore it, believe it or not, a number of years ago. Some friends from the Hut Association, Deppy, they helped us with some money, and a four-wheel drive club that I'm a member of. So yeah, this is it. This is Store Point Hut. Most of it's still, most of the roof was original tin, so it was good at the time. I do have photos which I'll post up. Hopefully I'll find them and post them up in this video. So yeah, we'll just go in and here you go. This post here has history with me in this post. I dug that hole 3 times. 3 times. Being told it was in the wrong spot. So eventually it got into the right spot. We'll just pop in and have a quick look. There's some guys that are camping here. They've taken off for the day to go for a bit of a drive. So we'll go in. This is obviously not the original door. It's got a concrete floor now. Never used to. It used to be a dirt floor in here. And these guys have well and truly set themselves up in here for the weekend. Yeah. So yeah, they've really set themselves up. So what I do, you'll see the photos that I put up. A lot of this is still original timber. We try to keep it as original as possible. These are some of the photos when we did the work on it. You'll see a guy in a blue jumper there. That's me! We basically ripped the hut apart and rebuilt it, but we used a lot of the original timbers where we could. So yeah, I don't know if we can zoom in. No. So yeah, it's been a number of years since I've been here. There was a door just there somewhere, I think, originally. Not a door, there was a window I think we had in there, and it obviously got replaced. So yeah, that's the fireplace there. That's not an original fireplace, obviously. It's a big steel. Oh, there's a big steel one in there which we when we installed that, we actually ripped the chimney out and started from scratch. So that was sitting outside there. Originally, there's usually a signing book here somewhere, but it's not here today. What's on that plaque? I might come in and take a photo of that. But yeah, that was the plaque Alan made to put in here. So yeah, we'll go out and have a look at the back. Close the door. That big tree there, that was actually pushing over the hut at the time. That's obviously been removed since then. Got photos of that. And then this is the chimney. I'll take credit for some of that. Nobody else was silly enough to get up there to do the top bit, so I did at that time. So yeah, that fireplace you're seeing there, when we pulled all this apart, we actually dragged it in from here and then dragged it into there to install it, well, to put it in anyway. It's been cleared a lot now. So yeah, it's pretty cool now. They've got it's a nice little camp spot now. It has drop loos, drop toilets, whatever you want to call it. Now over here where this red Pajero Sport is, I've been reliably informed by Alan that this is the original baker's oven that was here. Well, a bit of it anyway. So yeah, that's the original oven. It's not a big campground by any stretch of the imagination. Probably get a couple of people in here now. And Donnelly's Creek's just down here. Creek itself. So all this for some gold, eh? Some silvery stuff, everybody. It's a big town by all accounts too around here, usually. So yeah, that's me at Store Point Hut. Got coffee sitting over there waiting for me, so we'll go have it. All right, hopefully this turns out all right. Don't forget, guys, like and subscribe. I've got a few more little places to go to today. So yeah, Store Point Hut off Donnelly's Creek Road. All right, bye for now.